Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add a custom node into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Bitget wallet, and after opening the Bitget wallet you just simply have to go over home section where you will get this 4 circles into the top left corner. Tap into that icon, and after tapping into there you will get this option of advanced settings. Tap into advanced settings and then select this node settings from here directly. Tap into that and then you can easily select any of the cryptos that are available into this section. I'm selecting Bitcoin, and now you can easily add a custom node from here. Just simply tap to add custom node and you can paste the custom custom node into this box and tap to confirm. This way you can very easily add custom node into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.